Let me assure you, action is being taken. Something is being done right now to ensure Mnangagwa goes. Things are happening as we speak. Salvina mashukwamela nyukopana pana bomshogeza chit aiwa. Action is being done. Things are happening. Matauro attribute and will subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa enogdanyara chiti. Today is the day 3 of historic shutdown, which so far has been a success. I would like once again to thank you for your cooperation. We have demonstrated to the Mnangagwa regime that enough is enough. The message was clear and has reached home. We know the reasons why we called this shutdown is to make sure that Mnangagwa is booted out of power. He is now mentally unfit to govern the country. He has also presided over monumental corruption. These years destroyed the delivery of social services in the country. Indeed, the message has been given home to all stakeholders, including the progressive security forces. And let me assure you, action is being taken. Something is being done right now to ensure that Mnangagwa goes. Things are happening as we speak. As a way forward, we continue with our shutdown. We can all agree that emotionally we are all on shutdown. Mentally, we are all on shutdown. Psychologically, Zimbabweans are on shutdown. Physically, we are all on shutdown. Don't be discouraged by people who are loitering in the town. We know some were bussed from far and beyond to give the impression that the stay away has failed. This side shows we will not succeed. The family of Zimbabwe, the end is now coming. So stay strong, people of Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa and his Ugandandas are going anytime soon. Remain in shutdown mode, emotionally and physically. We know things are bad. We know that you are surviving by hustling. I shall continue to speak with you. I shall also be coming back to you to update you on the progress of our shutdown. Remain strong, people of Zimbabwe. Family of Zimbabwe, I thank you very much. I thank you very much. Thomas Wamdanyo Kopanapa and address the last night na Bob Shogesa. To them of Mura and you to leave Amsurmashuba Rachit Iowa. Something should we take. Thank you. Nema efforts a market and subscribe or like on the bell icon.